Why can parrots copy your voice? Sunny comes running. Moko! That parrot just said, hello! Moko smiles. Yep. But parrots don't really talk like people. Sunny asks. Then, how did it copy my voice? Moko explains. Parrots are amazing sound copycats. Sunny says, Sunny. The parrot replies, Sunny. Sunny laughs. It copied me. Moko smiles. White parrots copy other birds. Pet parrots copy you. Sunny laughs. So, I'm part of its flock? Moko nods. Exactly. That's why parrots are nature's best voice mimics. Sunny and Moko together. See you next adventure.